Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has our primary focus on family law issues, and today we're going to talk about the reluctant party and what he or she may not want to pay in the way of spousal support or in the way of child support. Well, I got bad news for you if I'm talking to the reluctant party right now. If there's children involved, the only way you're not going to pay support for minor children is if you have the children for the exact equal amount of time and you and your ex make exactly the same amount of money. Other than that, if you share them equally, but you're making $50,000 and she's making $25,000, guess what? Even though you're sharing the kids equally all the time, 1 week on, 1 week off for 52 weeks a year, still going to pay child support. The guidelines are going to still make you pay child support even if you share the kids equally because of the income differential. Even if that differential is small, you're making $50,000, she's making $45,000. There may be support of a nominal nature, but there's going to be some support. And if you don't pay it, there's going to be sanctions associated with that support. Now, the same is not true with spousal support, or what we used to call alimony. Spousal support is something for which there are guidelines, but they're more advisory as opposed to controlling. The parties can still negotiate that away. The parties can make a deal and say, look, I don't want to pay alimony, so therefore I'm going to pick up all the marital debt, and I won't pay the alimony. So far, alimony should be forever barred. Or the parties can say, in lieu of alimony, how about I'll give you a larger percentage of the marital home. Parties can do that. And sort of, in that sense, buy away the alimony. A lot of people like to do that because when they get divorced, they don't want to have that connection with their ex anymore. Even if they're paying them every month, that connection they don't want to have. That's a loose end. And they don't want to have that loose end, so they make a deal. I'd rather pay it now than deal with it later. A lot of people say that. But understand one thing. Spousal support is a little bit different than child support in that if there's going to be child support in more cases than not. Whereas alimony or spousal support may or may not apply in your situation. And even if it does, there may be some workarounds in that regard as it relates to the division of the property. If you have any questions, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.